My name is Chris Malone. I hope you enjoyed that little Irish jig to get our course off to a happy start, I guess. I will be teaching Stat 110 Fundamentals of Statistics at Winona State University to you this summer. The purpose of this video is simply to introduce the course, discuss the syllabus, and to get the course started. Let's go ahead and look at some of the elements of the course then. So we will use D2L for this course sporadically. We will use D2L to share messages for you. I have one posted here to get our semester started. There's other elements of D2L that I may use during the course as well. The main website that we're going to use for the course, though, is one that I run separately, and that is StatsClass.org. So you will be submitting your course assignments and also your homework assignments at StatsClass.org. I am teaching two courses this summer, Stat 110 and HLA 311, so obviously you'll be selecting the Stat 110 link here. Here's what the course website looks like. It's a pretty simple website. We will talk about the different elements different components of the website here now. At the top is just my announcements, due dates for assignments, things like that will be posted at the top of this website. Under course materials here, we have the various notes that you're going to be needing to complete and also the assignments. So for this first module here, we can see that we have a set of notes posted. I also use a variety of apps, so I have a link there to an app that we will use in those notes. Each set of interactive notes has a video that goes along with it. I would encourage you to watch these videos as you're trying to complete your notes. Most modules are going to have either a guided homework assignment or a homework assignment. Okay, so you will need to complete, obviously, the assignments as we progress through the course as well. Down underneath the course materials, we have a video archive table, which just simply contains all of the it's an archive of all of the videos that I've used in the course. Sometimes that's a little easier to find the video that you're looking for. Let's talk about the syllabus then. You're going to have to create a student account at StatsClass.org. You're going to be submitting your course notes and assignments at StatsClass. So when you're doing that submission, I need to know who you are. So at StatsClass, you need a separate student account. The link up here is up in the upper right-hand corner for you to log into your account. When you're first creating your account, obviously you're going to be selecting Create Account here. I will give you a video that shows you how to create your account. Once you have that account created, then you're going to need to log in here in order to submit your course notes and your homework assignments. Again, I will have a video showing you that process. The setting up of the StatsClass account should be done right away this first week of the semester. Okay, the course notes are interactive in nature, and I ask that you answer the questions that are embedded within those notes. Sometimes they're more than just questions. Sometimes I actually ask you to provide a screenshot of your work. Other times they're just kind of a check your understanding type questions. After a set of course notes has been submitted, the solutions will be posted for you. Okay, so after you submit your notes, I would like for you to go back into your notes and then read the solutions that I've given. Again, you'd want to do this just to check your understanding of the content being covered in the course. I am not worried about whether or not you have the questions correctly or correct when you initially submit your answers. At this stage, we're just trying to learn the content, and I'm not worried about whether or not you're getting the questions correct. How about the homework assignments? There's two different types that I've mentioned. The guided homework assignments and then the regular homework assignments. The guided homework assignments are shorter in nature, are more direct. I oftentimes will provide hints on the guided homework assignments. After you submit your guided homework assignments, the solutions for the guided homework assignments will be posted. So just kind of like your course notes. Okay, the guided homework assignments and the regular homework assignments are Google Docs. So I use Google throughout. Okay, I don't use Word or Excel. I'm going to use all Google products, or Google Docs, and then Google Sheets as well. Okay, so what you'll need to do to complete your assignments is to download those, obtain a local copy of that Google Doc, so it goes into your Google folder, and then simply you will submit a shareable link of that Google Doc to me when you turn in your assignment. Okay, so there's not a Dropbox, it's just simply submitting a shareable link to me. The most common issue in submitting homeworks is not giving me permission to view the assignments. This is going to be covered in that video on submitting homework, so please pay attention to that. That's usually an issue in the first couple assignments, that students don't give me permission to view the assignment. How about grades? Grades are going to be determined in the following manner. You're going to get 3 points for attempting to successfully complete the questions posed in the notes. Okay, I do not look at those for correctness at all. It's simply, did you submit answers? If you did not submit any answers, then you will receive a 0 on those. One thing about course notes is there is no deadline on those, other than the end of the semester. Okay, so it's okay if you don't complete the course notes, every couple of days or 2 days after I post them. Okay, you have the entire semester to complete the course notes. I would strongly encourage you, though, to complete the course notes before attempting the homework assignments. The homework assignments follow directly from the course notes. So if you're having trouble on your homework assignments, go back and review the course notes for that module. Regarding the grading of the guided homework assignments, you'll get 7 points for attempting to complete that assignment in a sufficient way. I don't need all correct answers there. Okay, I just need to see that you gave it a good effort. If you submitted, suppose that assignment had 5 questions and you submitted 3 of them, and maybe you got partway on the fourth question maybe, then you'll get 4 out of 7 on that assignment. So if you make a reasonable attempt to complete the assignment, I will give you 4 out of 7 points. If there's no attempt to make complete the assignment, then you'll get a 0 on that guided assignment. Solutions to the guided assignments are going to be provided to you immediately after you submit your assignment. So again, you can go back and check your answers to make sure that you are understanding the content there. And then we have our regular homework assignments. The regular homework assignments are more typical in nature. They're going to be worth more than the 7 points, typically anywhere from 20 to 30 points. These will take you anywhere from about an hour to 2 hours to complete. As soon as the deadline passes, I post the solutions to the homework assignments. So I cannot accept late work. It's not fair to the other students if you get to turn your assignment in after solutions have been posted. If you believe you're going to have concerns with meeting the deadline, you can send me an email, and I will consider extensions to deadlines, but to be honest, most times they are not granted. As soon as the deadline passes, the solutions are posted, so it's important for you to meet those deadlines. As far as our grading goes, it's straight 90, 80, 70, 60. So if you get 90% or above, you'll get an A, 80 to 90 a B, etc. Here are the course learning outcomes for the course. I will let you read those. And then if you'd like an official course syllabus, that is provided here at the link at the bottom of the webpage. Okay then, that does it for our introductory video for Stat 110 in the summer of 2021. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I look forward to our upcoming semester. Thank you. Have a good night.